If you have heard of the plan by Dan Hollings and you're looking to see if it's going to be a great fit for you, you're trying to find out if it's worth the price, if it's worth the hype, never mind. Today, I'll tell you exactly my honest opinion about it as a real user, and I'll tell you all you need to know about the plan. Welcome back to Silver or Coins. And if today is your first time here, you're highly welcome. And I hope this video will provide you with some value. Okay, let's dive right in. I'll tell a little short story, quick one. In October of 2021, my sister was telling me about a certain crypto coin making waves on the internet. Yes, you guessed it right, Shiba Inu. She wanted to know if I was going to jump in and buy some of it. I told her I didn't understand crypto enough to want to invest in it. I am someone who loves to do a lot of research and have an understanding of something before going into it. Sometimes that's good, sometimes that's bad, but that's it. At that time, I didn't have the time to conduct the research on crypto, so I kept pushing it away. My sister kept telling me how this particular crypto token is being projected, and how it's predicted to increase significantly in the coming weeks. Out of FOMO, and fear of missing out, I finally caved and I bought about $1,000 worth of this Shiba Inu, which came to some 22 million units or so, because it was really quite cheap at the time. So that's it for Shiba Inu for now. I'll tell you more about it later. So fast forward, about 4 or 5 weeks later, I heard about the plan by Dan Hollings. It sounded so good. What I was looking for, it seems, the crypto course that would propel me faster into crypto land. After much deliberation within myself, I jumped into the plan in December of 2021. The course entails 6 days of live teaching by Dan Hollins and a few of his core team members. So it's about 6 sessions of 3 to 4 hours each. And it lasted about 6 days. So 3 to 4 hours each, and it lasted about 6 days. So as you can see, here is the plan. This is the grid bot trading phase one. So the plan phase one is all about grid bot trading. That's mostly what it is about, but much more than that, it's also about how to invest your funds in crypto proportionately, kind of. So they give you like kind of the whole overview, but that's mostly what it is. So for a beginner like me, at that time, the course really took me from zero knowledge on crypto to about 60% on crypto. So that's what it was. At the time, I felt, oh, well, if I'd gone to, do it on my own, maybe I would have lost money and all that. And so I was confident enough to trade crypto with the understanding and knowledge I was able to acquire within 3 to 4 days from the plan. So now it's about grid bot trading, and I started with demo, bots. You can start with demo bots and try out things before you jump in with real funds. And when I was trying this out, it was actually a lot of them were really good, and they were working well. So few days after starting the demo bot, I decided to start a real live bot with real funds. And as you can see, these are my bots. I'll show you some of my bots. I didn't start everything in one day. I started slowly and kept adding to it. So although we are going through a bearish market now, um, so these are my bots. I've got a few of them, and you can see a lot of them and in the negative right now, and that's because we are going through a bearish season right now in crypto land, and it is reflecting in the bots. But as you can see, I also made good profit at the time. You know, you can see, if you start, some of the older ones are right here: 345, $935, 173, dollars. This is because it's a an ETH and BTC combination. 568 and 197, 456, 554, 923, 923, that is. So I did make quite a lot of profit, and I started most of these bots, all of them, really most of them were at $3,000, $3,000 US. The only one I didn't start with that is this one at the top here, which was just about a month ago. I started a month ago. So crypto is not the only asset down right now. Stock and other investments are down in value. My NASDAQ index funds, my US equity index funds are down now as well. And just like crypto, I believe they will go up again in value. As long as I don't sell them now, they are still with me. And when they go up, I will see the funds rise again and the profits. So here's my honest opinion about the plan. It is not for everyone. No, it is not for everyone. It is expensive to get started. When I saw the price of the plan, I said to myself, there's no way. I'd rather invest the money in crypto. But where do I begin? If I'd done it my way, I probably lost all my money and would have sold everything out of panic, right? And if I had gone to YouTube to learn, that's another alternative. If I'd gone to YouTube to learn, I may never have started because I would have kept postponing it. I would have kept pushing it back, because of the research and the time it would have taken me. But learning from the plan and the expert, Dan Hollings, it gave me a sense of direction. It shortened my learning curve, and it gave me a quick boost into crypto trading. It is not a get rich quick kind of thing, according to Dan Hollins. It is a long term plan, hence the name, the plan. Much like how we invest in stocks, in bonds, in mutual funds, real estate, through our traditional banks and all for the long haul, that's how the plan also encourages you to, have it as a long term plan. The course is constantly updated, where Dan and his core team members offer practical solutions to challenging and changing scenarios. Case in point, shortly after the big crash in March and April, he and his team members gave us an update on how to profit from the crash. As you can see here, right now you can see critical, they give you updates. Some of these, they added a lot of things into that as well, and brought us up to speed. So they introduced us to another kind of bot, and bot settings that are built to work well when prices are so low. And that is why you see this particular bot that I started about a month ago is the one that you start, that is that was started in this bearish market. So the bot settings and everything are quite different, and we start with a little less than 3,000, about 1,500. So that's it. So I decided to try that one out and see. And as you can see, I'd already made 9% of my original investment. However, it's a little bit down now, 7.95%. So that's how that works. But the best part is that if you believe in crypto and the technology behind it, the time to invest is now. When prices are quite low and the market is quite volatile. That is, if you believe in crypto, it's not for everybody. If you don't yet understand this technology that is crypto, you might want to go and educate yourself. Like I said, the plan is expensive to get started, but if you can afford it, I'd say the best place to start your crypto education and web building as a beginner would be with the plan. It's fast, it's quick. In 6 days, you already have a good handle on what it's all about. I wish it were cheaper than 3,500, really. But it is what it is. What can we do? There are a lot of partners involved in this training, and their support is top notch. It's one of actually the best that I've experienced. And that involves a lot of human manpower, so maybe that's part of the investment that you put in. I also wish they would have taught us to close our bots when in profit, like I showed right here. There was a time this area was all green and positive, and I wish they taught us how to just close your box and get it while you're still in profit and all. But I think they've added that now in the course. They've updated the course with that now. So as soon as these ones come up and all that, I'm going to close some of these boards, and moving forward I'll take that route, that the new route that they're teaching. So if you've got time, but no money to invest in the course, in the plan, you can totally go to YouTube and research to learn. You can even jump into trading bots and start your trial and error. You may be lucky and you make good profit. I'll leave a link in the description below to the trading bots that I use. It's free to join and get started. So, knowing all these, would I invest in the plan again? Do I regret it? Honestly, I think I would invest in the plan considering my specific needs. At the time I jumped in, that is December of 2021, I thought I was late to the party, and I really wanted a fast track way of getting to understand crypto and start cashing in. I figured the plan would give me that boost, and it actually did. So those 6 sessions of 3 to 6 hours, 3 to 4 hours rather, those sessions really boosted my knowledge of crypto investing. Within a short period of time, I understood the technology, or I had an understanding of the technology. Before that, I didn't. I couldn't even explain it. All I knew was Bitcoin. And even at that, I was going, how exactly does this work? So the plan helped me make money in crypto within a matter of days. Yes, you saw my bot, you saw the profits. Within a matter of days, I was making money. If I had closed in, a little bit early before the crash, I wouldn't be in a loss now. But like I said, I haven't lost it because I haven't sold them. So the plan helped me make that money in crypto within a matter of days and weeks. Unlike Shiba Inu, now I bring you back to Shiba Inu. Unlike the Shiba Inu I purchased with the help of my sister, it's still there. It's still in my account. I haven't sold it. I haven't made any extra money on that. And I have lost, the original 1,000 I invested. The Shiba Inu then now it's not worth that. So you see, that's how it differs from the grid bot trading. So with the grid bot trading, you make some money even while it's going up and down. But if you just invest or buy and all that, it may not work like that. So that's where I'm at now. So the plan simply works, and I still have my investment. As long as I don't sell, when values begin to rise again, I will profit even more. So you can register for the plan webinar, or you can watch the replay depending on when you see this video, and you can have a listen for yourself. The webinar is free and there is no commitment whatsoever. I'll leave the link to the free webinar below, or to the webinar replay below. So don't forget to check it out. You have a listen, and then decide for yourself if it's worth it or not. Remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor, and the things that I have said in this video, the things that I've shown and I've presented, they are based on my personal experience with the plan and with crypto investing. I suggest you do your own research before investing. And if you do invest, I will be compensated as an affiliate if you click any of the links, to purchase. So just to have that out there. So That's my honest opinion about the plan. You it's left for you now to do your own research, join the webinar, check it out for yourself, and then decide if it's worth it or not. Thank you for watching this video. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Till next time, keep learning. Bye.